Today, I'll be talking about visual aids, how they can help or hurt your presentation, and some tips on how to use them to your advantage. A great visual aid can create a more dynamic and professional presentation. Knowing the steps to creating a beautiful presentation can be the difference between getting an A or D, receiving that big promotion or being passed up, and getting your dream job or facing unemployment. A visual aid can be anything from a PowerPoint like the one behind me to a graph or even a poster. A good visual aid will help the audience understand and digest the points a speaker is making without distracting or confusing them. Avoid complex graphs, and charts. If it confuses you, it will confuse the audience as well. Only include visuals that are instinctual and easy to understand. Anything too loud or complex will distract from what's really important, you. If you've ever been in a lecture where the professor puts 3 paragraphs of text up on one slide, you understand why a bad visual aid can totally distract from an otherwise adequate presentation. The class becomes so concerned with trying to write every word in their notes that anything the professor says falls by the wayside. This brings me to the most important visual presentation aid. Keep it simple. Don't give an audience an excuse not to listen to your words. When providing them with a simple and intuitive visual, you give them a reason to pay attention to you, not the screen. Leonardo da Vinci once said, "Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication." Keep this in mind when you're creating a visual aid for your presentation. The easiest way to achieve simplicity? Demolition. Get rid of extraneous details and added bonuses, stick to the necessities. It's easy to fall into copying your entire presentation onto your visual aid, but this will take focus away from what you're saying. Instead, only include text that's meaningful. Key points and ideas that are essential for an audience to understand your presentation. Don't assault their eyes. No one wants to be bombarded with an ocean of text or rainbow of colors when they're trying to learn. A colorful and trendy presentation may be nice in theory, but without a background in visuals, these can often end up looking messy and unprofessional. When in doubt, keeping your presentation to 2 fonts and 3 colors is a good rule of thumb. Another key to a successful visual aid is keeping it relevant to the presentation. If you're talking about apples, don't include a picture of an orange. Again, the worst thing a visual aid can do is confuse and distract your audience. The only including relevant visuals, your presentation is easy to follow and the audience can stay on track. Oftentimes, people have a tendency to fill a visual presentation with any content available to give the illusion of a lot of work. Don't fall into this trap. Aside from being plain confusing, including irrelevant information weakens your credibility as a presenter. When you're done talking about something, remove it. Flip the page, wipe the board, or take it off the screen. Don't allow a lingering aid to detract from your presentation. Include a transitional plan when you're creating an aid so that your visual is never irrelevant to your words. Remember that the visuals will be there with you the entire time you're speaking, so prepare for every moment of your presentation with a relevant aid. Don't risk a single second. While a good visual presentation will clarify your points, it should also help you get the attention of your audience and hold on to it for the remainder of the time you present. Make it memorable. I've used very simple, bold text to highlight only the key points of my presentation, but sometimes a more daring visual aid is in order. Contrasting colors, relevant photos, and striking typefaces can be a great tool to catch and hold the eye of your audience. Color coding and bolding is important points to take away, gives them an easy path for their eyes to follow, and further ensures that they are absorbing the essential ideas from your presentation. Using a short video or simple infographic are surefire ways to get the focus back onto your presentation when you may be losing your audience. Using bold, vibrant visuals can be especially helpful during lengthy presentations. Changing up a visual can pull back an audience when attention is slipping. If you're using a slideshow or flip chart, change up what the audience is seeing often. Remember, your visuals are there to help you. Don't let a visual aid detract from your presentation. In the end, it's about what you're saying, not what they're seeing. Using some of the tips you learned today can give you a dynamic and powerful presentation and add to your credibility as a presenter. Good luck.